书名就叫就是 Hello Darkness。高凡哥在学校，好就带他去到，就是每次哈，他念书给他听，在念书给他听之前，他就说 OK， 那 Darkness 要念书给你听哦，因为他瞎，所以他对他来讲就是 Darkness 这样子。Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. For the vision softly creeping, let me see what I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence, and in the restless I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, in the halo of the street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, spent the night and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without listening, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence.